I'm a mom, I'm a business owner in a guy's world, I'm a friend, I'm a neighbor. All of us care and have respect for the customer car, and for each other. Some of the upgrades that we did here is we added in a kiosk with an RFID reader. So if you have an unlimited monthly pass, there's a little RFID chip in your car, and you can also do that with the wash cards. Those customers never ever have to touch the kiosk. They come in, stop for a second, and go right through the wash. In the oil change, we give you a free car wash with every oil change. Our technicians are certified. We do brakes, we do all the basic car care needs. In the detail, my detailer is certified with Simonized. I look at every single car that goes out and I analyze it, I critique it. We listen to what customers say to us, positive and negative, and we come at it and we improve every single time to give you the best product.